Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Hyper-V enabled, available disk space, and an ISO image. Once done, open PowerShell as administrator so commands run without permission errors. Create variables for VM name, VHD path, memory, MB, CPU count, and switch name. This makes later commands concise and repeatable. Then create the VM shell with new VM to reserve resources. This step does not yet attach storage or install the OS. Make sure to choose a proper switch for networking. Once the VM exists, you need storage and a boot device. Create a VHDX with new VHD and then attach it using Add VM hard disk drive. This allocates the virtual disk. Next, attach the installation ISO with Add VM DVD drive or Set VM DVD drive so the VM can boot the installer. After that, configure firmware boot order using Set VM firmware, choose UEFI for modern OSes, or legacy BIOS if needed. Make sure the DVD drive is first, then the virtual hard disk, so installation begins automatically. You now start the VM with Start VM and Connect using VM Connect or Enter PS session for headless installs. This begins the OS installer. Install the guest OS, then add integration services or guest additions and adjust memory or CPU if performance lags. Once the VM runs, create checkpoints and export templates for reuse. If networking or boot fails, check the virtual switch, VLAN tagging, and assigned NIC. Also confirm the VHD path is correct. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most startup problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.